Water, the most vital substance on Earth, is often taken for granted. It covers about 71% of the planet's surface, yet its significance extends far beyond mere abundance. While most people are familiar with water as the clear, tasteless liquid we drink and use for countless daily activities, there is a wealth of fascinating information about this essential compound that remains largely unknown. Understanding the complexities of water can deepen our appreciation for it and highlight the critical role it plays in our lives, the environment, and even the universe. To begin with, water is unique in its molecular structure. Composed of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom, this simple formula, H2O, gives rise to a multitude of remarkable properties. One of the most intriguing aspects of water is its polarity. The oxygen atom, being more electronegative, attracts the shared electrons more strongly than the hydrogen atoms. This creates a partial negative charge near the oxygen and a partial positive charge near the hydrogens, resulting in a polar molecule. This polarity is responsible for many of water's unique characteristics, such as its ability to dissolve a wide range of substances. This property makes water an excellent solvent, earning it the title of the universal solvent. It allows for the transportation of nutrients in biological systems and plays a crucial role in chemical reactions. Another remarkable feature of water is its high specific heat capacity. This means that water can absorb a significant amount of heat without experiencing a substantial rise in temperature. This property is critical for regulating the Earth's climate and maintaining temperatures within a range that can support life. For example, large bodies of water, like oceans and lakes, act as heat reservoirs, absorbing heat in the summer and releasing it in the winter. This moderates the climate of nearby land areas, creating more stable environments for ecosystems to thrive. The high specific heat of water also plays a crucial role in the human body, helping to maintain a stable internal temperature despite external fluctuations. Water's behavior as a solid is another aspect that sets it apart from most other substances. Unlike most materials, water expands when it freezes. When water freezes, the molecules arrange themselves in a crystalline structure that is less dense than liquid water. This phenomenon is why ice floats on water, creating an insulating layer on the surface of lakes and rivers during winter months. This insulation is vital for aquatic life, allowing organisms to survive beneath the ice while the surface remains frozen. The floating ice also reflects sunlight, helping to regulate temperatures in polar regions. The journey of water on Earth is a continuous cycle, known as the hydrological cycle. This cycle encompasses various processes, including evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and infiltration. Water evaporates from oceans, rivers, and lakes due to solar energy, transforming from liquid to vapor. This vapor rises into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses into clouds. Eventually, the accumulated moisture falls back to the Earth as precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This cycle is essential for replenishing freshwater sources, supporting plant growth, and maintaining ecosystems. It also plays a critical role in weather patterns and climate systems, influencing everything from droughts to hurricanes. In addition to its physical properties, water is deeply intertwined with cultural and spiritual practices around the world. Many religions and belief systems revere water as a sacred element. In Hinduism, for instance, the Ganges River is considered holy and is believed to purify those who bathe in its waters. Similarly, in Christianity, water symbolizes baptism and spiritual cleansing. Indigenous cultures often view water as a life-giving force and incorporate it into their rituals and traditions. This reverence for water underscores its importance not only as a physical necessity, but also as a symbol of life, purity, and renewal. However, despite its abundance, water is not an infinite resource. The availability of clean, safe drinking water is a growing concern in many parts of the world. Approximately 2.2 billion people lack access to safely managed drinking water services, according to the World Health Organization. Pollution, over-extraction, and climate change threaten freshwater sources, making it increasingly challenging to ensure that everyone has access to this essential resource. Contaminants from agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and untreated sewage can compromise water quality, leading to health risks and environmental degradation. As the global population continues to rise, the demand for clean water will only increase, highlighting the urgent need for sustainable water management practices. Conservation efforts are essential in addressing the challenges associated with water scarcity and pollution. Simple actions, such as reducing water waste at home, fixing leaks, and using water-efficient appliances, can make a significant difference. On a larger scale, governments and organizations are working to implement policies aimed at protecting water resources, promoting sustainable agriculture, and investing in infrastructure to ensure access to clean water for all. Education and awareness are also crucial in fostering a culture of conservation and respect for this precious resource. Water is not just a resource, it is a fundamental component of life on Earth. It plays a vital role in agriculture, supporting food production and livelihoods for billions of people. Irrigation systems rely on water to nourish crops, while livestock depend on it for survival. The fishing industry, too, is heavily reliant on healthy aquatic ecosystems, which are sustained by clean water. As climate change continues to impact weather patterns and water availability, the interconnectedness of water, food security, and economic stability becomes increasingly evident. Moreover, water is essential for energy production. Hydropower, one of the most widely used renewable energy sources, relies on the flow of water to generate electricity. Dams and reservoirs harness the kinetic energy of flowing water, converting it into electrical energy that powers homes and industries. However, the construction of dams can also disrupt natural ecosystems and displace communities, raising questions about the balance between energy needs and environmental conservation. In addition to its practical uses, water has a profound impact on human health and well-being. Access to clean water is crucial for preventing waterborne diseases, which can have devastating effects on communities, particularly in developing countries. Contaminated water can lead to illnesses such as cholera, dysentery, and typhoid fever, posing significant health risks. Ensuring access to safe drinking water and sanitation facilities is essential for improving public health outcomes and reducing mortality rates. The relationship between humans and water is complex and multifaceted. It encompasses not only the physical and practical aspects, but also the emotional and psychological connections we have with this vital resource. Water is often associated with calmness and tranquility, evoking feelings of peace and reflection. Many people find solace in natural bodies of water, whether it be a serene lake, a rushing river, or the vastness of the ocean. The sound of water flowing or crashing against the shore has a soothing effect, making it a popular choice for relaxation and meditation. As we move into the future, the challenges surrounding water will only become more pronounced. Climate change is expected to exacerbate water scarcity, leading to more frequent and severe droughts in some regions, while others may face increased flooding and extreme weather events. The need for innovative solutions to manage water resources sustainably is more critical than ever. This includes investing in technology for water purification, developing efficient irrigation practices, and exploring alternative water sources such as desalination. Moreover, the global community must come together to address the disparities in water access and quality. Collaboration between governments, NGOs, and local communities is essential for developing equitable solutions that prioritize the needs of vulnerable populations. Water is a shared resource, and its management requires a collective effort to ensure that everyone has access to clean, safe water. In conclusion, water is far more than just a liquid that sustains life. Its unique properties, cultural significance, and essential role in ecosystems and human health make it a substance worth understanding and protecting. As we face the challenges of water scarcity and pollution, it is imperative that we recognize the importance of conservation, sustainable management, and equitable access to this precious resource. By fostering a deeper appreciation for water and its complexities, we can work towards a future where clean water is accessible to all, ensuring the health and well-being of generations to come.